What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Tesla looks like it's continuing to push up higher towards that prior all-time high. That was the next expected target because price exceeded this prior measure move level. So you can see that it started stalling out at that mid $300 level, like the 350s, 340s, and then price continued to trend up higher. So that's a very good sign, right? Because price exceeded the target and it continues to move up higher. So there's going to be some resistance at this prior all-time high, obviously, because this is where price could not pass in the prior years. So we are seeing some resistance currently right now, but there's a good chance that this bullish trend can push through, especially because over the long term, price continuously makes higher lows. So there's a good bullish imbalance occurring. And if we make a measure move up, where it would be the target, one leg up right here, this is the second leg, and it's targeting the $500 level. So Tesla looking pretty good. It's an uptrend, expecting higher prices. Maybe we can draw a trend line. You can see that price is still above this trend line right here. So overall, looking pretty good. We are at this prior all-time high, so there's a good chance we could find resistance here and maybe pull back. But overall, it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the log scale, see if you can find anything different. Not necessarily. Price is just pushing up higher. Now let's take a look at the weekly. Here's a look at the weekly chart. A little bit overextended from that EMA, but I think we're going to see probably a push through the all-time high and then maybe some sort of pullback. We could get the pullback anytime now. That is due because of this overextension, just like right over here in the past. When price gets too far from that EMA, you'll pull back to it. When it gets too far from the EMA, you'll pull back to it. Especially, it goes the same for the downside as well. It will pull back to the EMA. Now we're too far from the EMA on the top side, so we can see a decent sized pullback. I don't know if we're going to get that right now off of this all-time high level, or we're going to see a break of it and then a pullback. So we'll have to wait and see. Monitor the price action, right? What's occurring in real time. In real time, looks like we're seeing some sort of resistance take place. So let's see if this forms into more selling pressure or not. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily week charts. Overall, trend is still very bullish. Long term, short term, we have to wait and see if we see a push up to the prior all-time high, or if we will find resistance right now and then continue to or start to pull back. If either way, if we pull back or we break out, I think there's a good chance to reach that $500 target sometime next year, probably early next year, because the long-term trend is still up for Tesla. So all I have for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.